Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Madison. So the reason my hair looks like this is because I just washed it. I just did a hair mask too, and it feels so good. I also got a trim last week. Well, I trimmed it myself. Don't do that. So everybody in their freaking mama knows what the Dyson is. The Dyson Airwrap. It's like the $600 curling device without using heat. And honestly, I always wanted to get my hands on it, but either it was out of stock or like it's just way too expensive. It's just way out of my budget. Like $600 when I get curling wands sent to me for free. I'm just kidding. But no, so I've been on the curling heat wands for like the longest. Let me show you my favorite one. I've been using like these kind of wands for my curls, and honestly love them. Like they work so good. This one's from Foxy by I have a code if you guys are interested, but I've been using these for the longest. I really want to start keeping my hair healthy. I don't know if you guys know, but using heat on your hair obviously does affect growth. So we don't want that no more. So I decided to spoil myself. This is the Shark Flexstyle Airwrap. I was so excited to get this. Oh my god. I pre-ordered it and I thought that it was going to take a really long time because on their website it said that it was going to take like 40 days. 35 to 40 days for them to pre-order it and then get it back in stock to the warehouse. And I was like, oh my god, but you know what, I was gonna do it anyway because this is honestly like a steal. This is like a steal for the Dyson, and I've seen really good reviews too, but I've been getting a lot of questions about it because I posted it when it came in the mail and everyone was like, oh my god, do a video, and I was like, okay. So this is my real life like first impression. I haven't even taken it out of the box. I just took it out of the packaging box. Anyways, I look a mess, so I'm going to section off my hair first. So I'm just gonna start sectioning my hair to how I usually section it. I just do a split. I don't know if this uses heat. I'm pretty sure it doesn't though. Yeah, so it says style while you dry with no heat damage. So I guess there's no heat damage, but you know what? I'm just gonna put it on anyways. I just realized I didn't set my face today. Hold on. Okay, I just want to show you guys what the box looks like. There's this thing. Some stuff just fell out, but it's not important. It's like the QR code. So it just shows you how to use it and everything, which is really nice. I will be using that, and this is what it looks like. Oh my god. It's actually a lot bigger than what I expected. Okay, so I want to show you everything that I got in the box. So I got two of the little curling style ends, and then this one, does it just go like, oh, it just goes like, okay. Wow, that was so easy. And then how do I unlock it? Oh. Wow, it's so easy to interchange like the ends. There's like a lock button right here. You just press it down when you need to take it out, which is really nice. That's super fast. So this one is for more like concentrated when you're drying your hair. And then there's this tip. This one's just it's one-sided, as you can see, and it's skinnier, and this one has bristles like all around it, and it's way thicker. So this is the difference between both of them. I'm guessing this one is more for like straighter, and then this one could be more for a blowout, but don't at me. I'm not a hairstylist. I don't know anything about hair. Well, I do. I know a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and just dry my hair so I can start styling it. So I'm just gonna use this one. I don't know if I should like use these. You know what? I'm gonna try all of them in like different sections and see what they all do. Oh, okay. So I'm reading the manual now. So this one is for the right and this one's for the left, and basically what that means is the right barrel is going to go clockwise and then the left barrel is going to go counterclockwise. But yeah, so your hair is just not all going like one way unless you want it to, but that's the reason why they have two. Oh shit, that's so cool. Oh my god. So how I did this was there's a little arrow button right here, and it's kind of just like the same button when you interchange the ends. You just pull it down and you bend it over kind of so it looks like a hairbrush. I mean a hair dryer. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it on and see like what all these buttons mean. So there's like a power button, and then there's a red button, and then there's the fan button, and then there's like this blue button. So I'm gonna try and test this out and just like blow dry my hair. So Okay, so I just tested out the buttons. The power button, obviously you just slide it up, it's the power button. The red button is the heat button, so it has 3 levels of heat, and then the fan button obviously is how strong you want the air to come out, so that also has 3 levels as well. I'm not sure about this blue button. I'm pretty sure you only use that when you're curling your hair. Okay, so this is called the cool shot button. That's why it's blue, and then the red one's hot, and you press that when you're done curling your hair. We will use that when we're curling it, but as of right now I'm gonna go ahead and dry my hair. Okay, immediately off the bat, I just want to say that this dries my hair very, very fast, and I have pretty thick hair, so wow, it's so good. Okay, so I left some bottom pieces kind of damp, so I could go in and try these tips. Twist it back in. Personally, I don't really like this one, but I feel like that would be good for days that like you just want your hair straight. I don't know if that's what it's for, unless I'm just using it wrong, but I'm gonna try this one now on the other side of my hair that's more wet. So I really do like this end. It does give me a little twist, as you can tell. Okay, I didn't really try with this one because I don't want to give myself a blowout. I want to curl my hair. So I'm not going to keep going with this one because I feel like that's just more work, because I just want my hair to be dry at this point. I'm going to go ahead and just dry the rest of my hair so I can get started to the good stuff, which is the curls. Okay, I love this thing. Oh my gosh, my hair is like so voluminous and it feels like good, and oh my god, it looks good. It literally got dry so fast. Guys, my hair is very thick, okay? My hair takes forever to get dry. Now I'm gonna go ahead and section my hair. Okay, so now that my hair is sectioned, I'm gonna go in with my hairbrush and just comb out my hair. So I'm gonna be doing my right side of my hair, so I'm gonna be using the right curling barrel tip. So oh my god, I'm so excited. But I'm not really sure how this works, but we're just gonna take like a small kind of piece first. Sorry if it's kind of loud. This? Oh, okay. Oh, it's so bouncy and pretty. Oh my god, it feels so soft. No more crispy curls. By the way, I have it on the highest fan setting, and then I have it on the lowest hot setting. I'm not really sure what this does. So it says, for the best curling results and to avoid heat damage, hold the barrel in place for 10 seconds and then press the cool shot button, which is this button, for at least 10 seconds, and then repeat until your hair is dry. I don't really know. I'm gonna do this section. So here is curl number 2. It's beautiful. Oh my gosh.
I've never seen a more beautiful thing.
They're honestly so pretty. I can't wait to see them curled out, and they look so healthy too. Oh my gosh. Okay. Not really sure if I'm curling it wrong, but I mean, it's working, so. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy with the results right now. Okay, so I'm gonna finish up my hair, and I will put it in like a fast forward kind of music mode so you guys can still see what I'm doing. and I already changed the barrel to the left, and I put the heat up by one more level. Here is the bottom half all curled out. It looks so good. Honestly, I think the curls could be bouncier, but it might just be my technique. It still looks really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray some argan oil. This one is from OGX, just to give my hair some shine. And then I'm gonna go in with my BioSilk Silk Therapy hairspray. The slightest bit, because I don't want crispy hair. Now I'm gonna take off this top section and curl the rest of my hair. Okay, so what I wanted to say that I was doing different in the beginning of the video was I was not twisting it and like curling it up, you know what I mean? So I was just kind of twisting, I don't know, I was just kind of like hoping that the hair would wrap around it, but I was not twisting it like a real curling barrel. So you do have to like twist it down and then twist it up to get all the hair. I don't know if that was just me because I'm stupid, but that is how this works. So I'm sorry if that was like really frustrating for anyone to watch, because like I said in the video, I don't know what I'm doing. So anyways, that curl came out really pretty though. So I just want to say that this curled my bangs so nicely. So I don't know if you guys saw how I was curling them, but I was just like curling it kind of up, you know, so it would have a little poof up here and give me some volume, and the curl is just so perfect. Oh my gosh, it's like really pretty. This curl is bothering me though. I don't know why it's like all the way out here, so stay back. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the other side, and I will give you my honest review. Want to say is I feel like my curls were dying. Not sure if that has to do with the health of my hair, but or I just like wasn't curling it good enough, but I'm pretty sure it's because I wasn't curling it good enough. But overall, I just want to say that these curls are so pretty and bouncy. I feel like they give me like Victoria's Secret like curls. I'm really happy with the outcome. I definitely will use this again, and maybe as I get the hang of it, I can make a better video, you know, that's more in depth, and I know a little more how to control the tool. I just hope that they last throughout the day, but I'm pretty sure that has to do more from like the thickness of your hair, the health of your hair, and obviously the products that you use in your hair. So you want to make sure that you invest in a really good hairspray. Honestly, I'm obsessed with the way it curled my bangs. Like, I just love the volume, and my hair also feels very, very healthy too, and it looks really healthy. So that wraps up the first impressions review. I really hope that this helped you and gave you a little more information on the Shark Airwrap, and honestly I would definitely recommend this. By the way, I just want to state that this video is not sponsored. I bought this entirely with my own money, and this is my own true honest review. Personally, I love it. I think it saves me so much time, especially with the hair dryer. Ugh, that was like so fast. That was probably the fastest that my hair has probably ever dried. Anyways, I really hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on your way out. I love you all so much, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye!